Hey, Tim and 7 KOM here, and I would love it if you would join me for a hike up Mount Adam. Now rest up, we're leaving at 12:30 tomorrow morning. 3 wag bags.
Yeah, man, I'm paying $15.
Yeah. All right, we're about 2 miles in, 1 hour in. Finally hit snow, 6,600 feet elevation right now. Making some boot adjustments and keep going up. All right, it's 2 in the morning. Putting crampons on. We're at 7,300 feet. Starts to get steeper from here. All right, it's 4 a.m. We're at 9,400 feet. About to begin the Stairmaster to the fall summit.
Jane Fonda would be proud.
Jane Fonda would be proud. Tom Speasley here with another great product. You have skinny calves. Try walking uphill forever. Order now. Wow. All right, we made it to the fall summit, 11,400 feet. It's 5:46 in the morning. Sunrise is going off. Shadow of the mountain that way. Finally getting hit by the sun. Nothing narrating. Final steps to the summit. Here we are on summit. Mount St. Helens out that way. Mount Hood and Jefferson behind it. Mount Rainier. It's probably 20-mile-an-hour gusts. I am nice and warm from that last hike up, but no screwing around. Let's get a wire on the snow and get on the air. CQ Summits on the Air, CQ Summits on the Air, November 7, Kilo Oscar Mike and 7 KOM for Volcanoes on the Air, CQ, CQ, CQ.
N7 KOM, ND7Y.
ND7Y, got you at a 5.9 here.
You're coming down to me a little scratch, but we'll give it a 5.7 today. I'm down in Woodland, just starting my drive up to Mount Digital for my hike today.
All right, QSL, QSL, you're my first contact of the day. I got a wire up, so I'm going to see if I can do HF too.
Right on, Tim, right on. Enjoy your day. ND7Y clear.
N7KOM, Whiskey 7 Norway, over.
Whiskey 7, November, got you at a 5.9 from Mount Adams.
Oh, I'm pointing in the wrong direction, but if you're on Mount Adams, are you on the summit of Mount Adams?
I am on the summit of Mount Adams.
Oh, very good, very good. Well, I am in Olympia, in the Olympia area, and you're about a 5x3, but I got the beam pointed in the wrong direction, so congratulations.
Kilowatt 7 Echo Lima Juliet.
Kilowatt Echo 7 Lima Juliet. You're 5.9 up here on the summit of Mount Adams.
Hey, Tim, correction on my call. It's Kilowatt 7 Echo Lima Juliet.
QSL, copy the 7 Echo Lima Juliet. All right, well, you're a great signal here on Mount Adams.
Yeah, QSL, that's a Roger there, Tim. I follow you on YouTube, man. I'm always really impressed of your hiking up to the summit there. I'm in
How you doing, Casey?
I'm freezing, man. How you doing?
I'm pretty warm, actually.
Swear to God, I'll never forget like cold weather here at Klickitat.
It's gonna warm up
Yeah.
at like noon.
Yeah. Just gotta hang out till then, right?
I hope to have a beer by then.
Speaking of beer, yeah. All right. Got Gary in Kansas. Whiskey Bravo 7, Victor Tango Yankee, you're a full 5'9" here, full 5'9" on Mount Adams.
Yeah, Tim, really tough copy. Give me a few Rogers. Did you say I was 5'9", over?
Oh yeah, you dropped down to 5'1" now that I'm looking at the radio. 5'1", 51 cents, 51 cents.
QSL to 51, you are 22, 2x2, over?
QSL to 22, QSL, thank you for the contact.
Thank you, Tim. Have fun up there. Be careful. WB7VTY.
Kilo Foxtrot 7, Sierra Echo Yankee.
Kilo Foxtrot 7, Sierra Echo Yankee. Got you at a full 5'9" from Mount Adams, full 5'9".
You're 5'9" here, Tim. Good luck and safe trip down.
Mountaintop Portable, November 7, Kilo Oscar Mike on Mount Adams, November 7, Kilo Oscar Mike is Mountaintop Portable on Mount Adams, N7 KOM looking for contacts.
Sugar and cheese blew up in Japan. Maybe you don't want to be up on that mountain. November 7, Alpha Victoria.
November 7, Alpha Victoria. Yeah, it's stinky, a little sulfur up here. You're full 5'9", thanks for the QSO.
Considering I'm pointed south, you're really probably on the back of my antenna. I'm in Vancouver, right across from the airport. N7KOM, this is N7DSW, November 7, Delta Sierra Whiskey.
N7DSW, got you at a 3-1 here, but full quieting, 3-1 full quieting, QSL.
Roger, I have you 5-2. Signal's bouncing around a little bit, but you're 100% readable.
7-3, thank you for the contact. N7 KOM, Mountaintop Portable on Mount Adams.
Roger, November 7, Quebec, India, November, in Montesano, Washington.
Alright, how do you feel about getting packed up and heading down?
I am a pro that.
Alright.
About 3/4 way done. When I open this, I'm just going to have
N7KOM, N7KOM, this is K7 IMA, Kilo 7 India Mike Alpha.
K7 IMA, got you at a 5'9", just before I finally finished packing up here, 5'9".
Thanks. Have a good trip down. Thanks, Tim. K7 IMA.
All right, the wind really picked up, so we're getting the heck out of here. Woo! Thanks for the contacts, everyone. All right, you got a pack and everything. Cowabunga, Casey. Woo! Dude, ow. Woo!
Goddamn mad props, you came out of that like a goddamn bat out of hell.
Woo! Top sled! Woohoo!
That was really fun.
That was sweet.
That was worth me eating shit on the other one and like almost dying.
Goody booty, I like it. It's a little catchier than Glacade's diaper.